Okay, my weekend is good because I went to my friend's house and I play soccer with him. And then I call him to went home to play video game, and then I play soccer with him on the video game, and then I play the cards game like.
Whoa, so some serious soccer. First you played it with your feet, then with your hands.
Then with my hands. And then I went to his house again to play soccer again, and then I went home. It's like 7:30. My mom called me to went home, and then I went home.
Not balança a cadeira.
And I went to eat. I ate chicken, beans, and rice.
Oh.
And then on the next day, I went to my friend's house again. And then, but he's not there. He's in the church on Lago Azul. And then,
Lego.
I come back, and then my dad make a
It's
barbecue.
Sunday?
And barbecue, and I eat barbecue with everyone, and then I stay there, and then I watch the movie. It's like, What You Want to Kill Me, but in Portuguese.
Oh,
A movie called You Want to Kill Me.
Yes.
That sounds like some quality
It's
entertainment.
Like the man had the want to be a boyfriend of another girl, but she had two boys.
I
and
see.
then-
I want.
And then they need to travel with him. And I watched this movie.
And after?
Faustão. The Circo of the Faustão.
Okay.
And after
And
play.
then I watched the soccer that's Cruzeiro times Fluminense, and Cruzeiro won.
Winner!
1-0 when the Neguinho make the goal. And then I eat barbecue again, and then it's finished my weekend.
Muito bem. Very good past tense verbs.